Okay, this is some Bomb Pop-Pops. We opened one last night. The horses, right? The ponies.
Mommy, I think there's more with them. Look
Oh, what is that? Turn it over. Let's see. Wow.
They're kitties.
Kitties. We have the ponies from last night.
And you have the little puppies. Remember you got your puppies a long time ago? Now you have the ponies, the puppies, and the kitties.
Can you say thank you, Bomb Pop-Pops?
Thank you, Bomb Pop-Pop.
You can put together a whole scene, the whole little city with dogs and cats and ponies. All the animals.
This is great.
All
I
right.
love it. This is the best. This is
Good.
the best present I ever seen. This is the best present I ever seen. Mommy, this is the best present I ever seen.
That's the best present you've ever seen?
I'm going to open this present.
Did I label it? Is it labeled? Wow.
What is this?
Wow.
Wow. This is great.
Those look like the puppies.
The puppies. And look, there's a mommy dog right there.
Wow.
This is great. These are the best presents I ever had.
The best present you ever had?
I'm looking on the back.
Wow.
Mommy, is there this?
Wow. It's got a little bit, let's see. It's called a newborn nursery. It has all different animals. It has some puppies and some kitties and a little panda bear. Wow,
Let's open
Daddy.
it.
She's got a
Whoa.
little bit of everybody.
Puppy in my pocket and friends.
Wow.
And friends.
Huh? Puppies are friends.
Puppies in my pocket and friends. Puppies in my pocket and friends. Puppies in my pocket.
You wanna open the other two from Bomb Pop-Pops? Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Papa. So great.
What do they give you?
Wow, what's this? Wow, this
Ooh.
What is this? Pretty clothes. Really great. They look good.
Wow, nice and soft, and your favorite color. Those are like soft like mommies.
Yes, and look at what else.
A little skirt
Little skirt.
and
A.
pants.
This
Wow.
is so great. I loved it.
Ooh, what's on that one? Oh, the world does revolve around me.
Oh, it sounds that even.
Beautiful shorts.
Say thank you, Bomb Pop-Pops.
Thank you, Bob Pop-Pop.
How about a Merry Christmas?
Merry
You say-
Christmas.
Well, happy Hanukkah.
And Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Very
Now
nice.
can I open the one from Santa?
Yeah, but you know what? Why don't you open the, I'll show you.
Please, this one.
You want to open that one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my color.
I don't know.
Okay, Megan.
Open it up.
Part of the carousel.
It is.
Part of the little doll.
I wonder what else you might have brought you.
See? Mommy?
Oh,
I wonder where the other part is.
wow. That's what you asked for from Santa?
And look at it's a horse. Let's see. I want to open this one.
Okay.
I want to open this one, I think. Because I don't know where it is. And look, it's more. Is this what goes to it?
Who's that? Is that a king and a queen?
Mommy, is that?
That goes with it, sure.
Wow.
You turn around, Megan. Let's see it in the camera. Let's get a picture of it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at those guys.
Mommy, let me see what's in there. I want to see the next part of it. I want to see the next part of it. Mommy, I want to see the next part of it. Oh, wow, Mommy.
Let's see, Pumpkin. Wow, is that a prince and a princess?
A prince and a princess. See the princess? She can go with the other princess.
Okay, go for the one in the middle, Megan.
But no, Mommy, I want to do this one.
Okay, you want to do that one?
Because I want to see what this is.
Okay.
It's a princess doll.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
A princess doll. A Princess Cinderella doll.
He must have got your letter.
Princess doll. Just what I wanted.
Wow.
Now let's see. I want to see the rest of the other parts. I want to see the rest of the carousel. Yay!
Let's see, Megan.
I got it. What I wanted.
Let me see your face.
That was your one right there?
Yes, this is what I just wanted.
Who else has one like that?
Hey,
Yeah.
Cousin Kate has that too?
Wow. See, we shared. We bought something nice, and Santa got one for you.
yay! I got it. Yay!
Well, you know what the advantage is, Megan, when you go visit Kate, you can play with hers, and she can come here and play with yours.
Hey, Megan, I saw on that tag, I think it said that's your extra present for giving up your binky.
This is my extra pen.
Yeah, that's your extra present.
What's this?
Is that a bonus one for no binky?
This is in the box. Mommy, look at it. It's so
Wow. Wow.
It's a pretty pony.
And what color is that pony?
Purple. Mommy, look at them. There's some friends over there, too. And
Okay, hang on, Pumpkin. I think you have one more. The one, the Santa sack.
She's going to fall down. She's got so many.
Mommy, that one?
Yeah,
There's one more?
there's one more.
Oh, wow.
Santa forgot a sack?
Because he left one more extra present.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Is that a scooter? Wow.
What color is that scooter?
Let me give it.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.